and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for a quick weeknight dinner. We'll be making some baked ravioli. To get started, here are my ingredients. I have some mozzarella cheese here, also some parmesan and some ground beef. I have my ravioli. I'll be using the fresh ones, but if you want to use the frozen kind, you can go right ahead. This is the spinach and ricotta mixture, and I'll be using some pasta sauce. I have onions, bell peppers, also some minced garlic. I have green seasoning, parsley, and for my seasonings, I'll be using some chicken bouillon, black pepper, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, sazon seasoning, brown sugar, and some Italian seasoning. Let's jump right into the recipe. So the first thing you want to do is add your ground beef to a hot skillet, and you want to allow this to brown up and release all the moisture, and what you will have left is some oil. So once the oil is released, we'll decide whether we want to drain it if it's a lot of oil or if we want to proceed with the next step. So after about 15 minutes, this is how the ground beef is looking. It did not give off a lot of oil because I'm guessing it probably is not a lot of ground beef. So I will not be draining it. Next, I will be adding the seasonings to add flavor and taste. We'll add our green seasoning, then we'll add the dry seasonings. We will mix well, and then we'll start adding our aromatics. We'll give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, this is looking amazing. It smells great as well. Next, we will add our pasta sauce, and we will also add our brown sugar and Italian seasoning. We'll give this a good mix, and we will cover and allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium to low heat. After about 15 minutes, this is now done. So what we'll do is turn the heat off, and let's go ahead and boil our ravioli. So to a pot of boiling water, you want to add your ravioli in here. And if you wish, you can follow the cooking instructions on the package. For me, I don't ever follow the instructions because I like my pasta to be fully cooked. I like it soft. If you want yours firm to the bite or al dente, you can follow those instructions. For me, I will cook this for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then I will add it to my meat sauce. You want to add it to your meat sauce, give it a good stir, then we'll add our fresh parsley, and let's get ready to assemble this into our baking dish. So to assemble, you want to add half of your ravioli to a baking dish. Then we will top that with some mozzarella and parmesan cheese. And then you want to add the other half and repeat the same step, topping it with mozzarella and parmesan cheese. Then we will place this in a 400-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once the cheese is nicely melted and it's slightly golden brown, that's how you know it's done. And after about 30 minutes, here you have it, the baked ravioli. It smells absolutely amazing. But next we are going to top it with some fresh parsley for some color and brightness. And this is your weeknight dinner, guys. Super simple and easy. So now let's dig in and see what this looks like on the inside. I know you guys can see how cheesy, flavorful, and delicious that looks. It is just the perfect weeknight dinner, and I know you guys will enjoy this. I did serve it up with some garlic bread, and let me tell you, it was mouth-watering. I could not get enough. I had a little bit left over and I put it away. I hid it from my family so that they could not find it because of me being so greedy. But yeah, this is just amazing, and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. You guys are so stingy with the likes. Give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit my subscribe button. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.